You know how your mama used to say, if you ain't got nothing nice to say, don't say nothing? Or he say, God don't like ugly? Or there's that saying, karma is a bitch? Well, this video is going to be about karma and how karma really is a bitch. So, if you watch any of my videos, you know I had a 2017 Corvette Grand Sport. And this is it. Beautiful car. This is actually the day I got it, the first day I got it. And first start and everything. It was a beast of a car. Now, everything would have been okay if I would have stopped and just enjoyed this moment. But one day I woke up with this bright idea. And keep in mind, this wasn't my idea of something I had planned or thought about doing. I was just riding around in a beautiful Corvette. And I decided, let's go back to the dealership that I first went at to look for cars. To go back to the dealership that wouldn't or didn't help me when I was attempting to get research on cars. And you know, it wasn't anything that I was doing to be facetious or a prick. It was just me going to really stop by and look at cars, to be honest, for a friend of mine who was overseas and wanted to get a car. So I made this video trolling dealership that wouldn't help me before I bought my Corvette.
Trolling the
And
dealership.
again, the video really and truly was just me going back to the dealership to look at cars. I just happened to title it this. So I wasn't really trolling the dealership. But here's what I believe happens where my Corvette actually started to troll me. I got trolled by my own Corvette. Cause what happened, if you know about the history here, if you watch any of my videos, and I hope you have,
You got
see
any
this thing
Grand
got
Sports?
2,027,000 hits on this video, mainly because I think this word trolling is in there. But here's what karma is a bitch. So this video was made in October of 2017, right? And shortly after this is when all hell broke loose and my Corvette started to troll me. So I'm making this video to say, yeah, karma is a bitch. And hey, sometimes you just want to keep it moving. So it started right here. If you look at the date of this video, December, a little less than 2 months after I made the video about trolling the dealership. Right away, 2 months later, I'm getting trolled by my own car. With the paint defects, that was the first troll, and it was a doozy. Then there was this video. Now that was December, this is March. We needed transmission rebuild and a new rear axle. Bruh. And here's the really brutal email I sent to them, which I still have, under the Lemon Corvette title. The Corvette trolled the shit out of me. So the moral of this video, of the story is, sometimes just take your ass somewhere and sit down.
Sit your ass down there.
Switch and the seat position, automatic adjustment.
Enjoy what you got and keep it moving. And just realize karma really is a bitch.